Today, we are going to change improper fractions into mixed numbers. We're going to watch this video, which shows you how to change improper fractions into mixed numbers.
Welcome to Improper Fractions with Mr. J. In this video, we're going to be discussing how to take improper fractions and convert them to mixed numbers. An improper fraction is a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. And a mixed number is a whole number mixed with a fraction. So as you can see, there are 4 problems on your screen, 4 improper fractions. We're going to take all 4 of those and convert them to mixed numbers. If at any time you feel confident enough to try some on your own, feel free to press pause, complete the remaining problems, press play when you're ready, and check your answers with mine. Let's hop right in to number 1. In number 1, we have 17 thirds, or 17 over 3. So we need to convert that to a mixed number. In order to do so, we need to divide. We take the numerator, the 17, and we divide it by the denominator. So I'm going to set up a problem over here to show exactly what I'm doing. So we need to do 17 divided by 3. How many whole groups of 3 can we pull out of 17? Hopefully you're thinking 5 whole groups. So that's our whole number for the mixed number, for our answer. So it doesn't work out exactly. There's going to be a remainder. So 5 times 3 is 15. Subtract, and we get 2 left over. So whenever there is a remainder, it's the numerator portion of the fractional part of the mixed number. So we put our 2, our remainder, up here. And then we keep the denominator the same. You don't need to change it. So we get 5 and 2/3. So again, the division problem, 17 divided by 3. The whole number, we got 5. The remainder, we got this 2 right here. And we keep the denominator the same. So let's hop over to number 2, or down to number 2, 21/8. So the first thing we need to do is divide 21 by 8. And once you get good enough at these and you're very comfortable with them, you won't need to write out the division problem. Some of you may be to that point already. So 21 divided by 8. How many whole groups of 8 can we pull out of 21? Well, 8, 16, 24. 3/8 is too many, so it's only going to be 2. So that's our whole number part of our mixed number. 2 times 8 is 16. We subtract, and we get a remainder 5. So remember, the remainder is our numerator portion of the fraction. And then we keep the denominator the same. So 2 and 5/8. Number 3, we have 36 sixths. So 36 over 6. So the first step is divide. We need to do 36 divided by 6. And so we need to think, how many whole groups of 6 can we pull out of 36? And the answer to that is 6, right? And we hit 36 exactly. 6 times 6, 36. And we do not get a remainder. So our answer is going to be 6 wholes. If there's no remainder, you're just going to have a whole number answer. So 6. Number 4, 51/9. 51 over 9. So we need to do 51, we'll come down here, divided by 9. How many whole groups of 9 in 51? Well, 5. That gets us to 45. If we do 6 groups, that's too many. So 5 times 9 is 45. Let's subtract to see what the remainder is going to be. 51 minus 45 is 6. So we get 5 wholes. We have a remainder of 6. And we keep keep the denominator the same. So 5 and 6/9. Now that 6/9 can actually be simplified because we have a common factor between 6 and 9 other than 1. So we can divide both the 6 and 9 by 3 to break it down. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So we can actually rewrite our answer as 5 and 2/3. We simplified the fractional part of the mixed number. All right, so that's how you convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. All it is division, and then rewriting your whole number, remainder, and denominator in the correct places. Thanks so much for watching.
Go ahead and try some of these on your own. 13/5, 21/3, and 16/7. How would you change these improper fractions into mixed numbers? If you'd like some extra practice, here are some problems you can practice on this week. Remember, practice makes perfect.